In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zapier with Wix. This is a great way to automate some of your workflows, freeing up valuable time and energy for more important tasks. We'll walk through setting up a Zap, or an automated workflow, to integrate Wix and Zapier seamlessly. First, you'll want to navigate to the Zapier homepage. Once you're there, look for the Make a Zap button. This button is your gateway into the world of automated workflows. Clicking this will get you started on creating your custom integrations. Next, you'll want to choose a trigger. In Zapier terms, a trigger is the event that kicks off your workflow. Here you should type Wix in the search bar to find Wix as your trigger app. Once it appears in the results, go ahead and select it by clicking on it. Now we're going to choose a specific event within Wix that will act as our trigger. A good way to start is by selecting an instant event. This means that whenever this specific event happens in Wix, the automation will trigger instantaneously. After selecting the event, look for the Connect Wix option and click it. It's time to link your Wix site to Zapier. A list of your Wix sites will appear, but for this demonstration, just click on My Site 1. Before moving forward, Wix will prompt you to confirm your integration with Zapier by clicking on the Agree and Add button. This step ensures both platforms are properly connected and able to communicate with each other smoothly. Now comes the fun part, configuring your trigger. You'll be presented with more specific options, where you can refine exactly what you want to trigger this automation. In this example, select the Blog Post Liked option. It's a straightforward choice that lets you automate what happens when someone likes a blog post on your Wix site. After you pick the trigger, it's essential to test it to make sure everything is working correctly. Click on Test to begin this verification process. Following this, Zapier offers another level of assurance with the Test Trigger option. This is where Zapier will simulate the trigger event to check if everything is set up correctly. And there you have it. You've just created a Zap using Wix and Zapier. This setup will automate the specified event with Wix, ensuring a seamless integration that can save you time and effort. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Happy automating, and see you in the next video.